Hey designer, Alex here, welcome to the channel and welcome to this new video series here on the channel, which is all about designer money. Over the next 52 weeks we are going to explore how can we as designers make money. We are going to explore some more obvious ways and some ways you probably didn't think about and probably didn't take into consideration. So every single Friday you can check back here on the channel. There's going to be a new way and a new method for you to make money as a designer. If you don't like this week's method, you can check back next week and make sure to hit that subscribe button not to miss out, and you can also turn on those bell notification icons so that you're going to get notified every Friday when I launch a new video. This is the insert for my course 101 ways to make money as a designer, and you can check it out by going to my membership. A link is going to be down in the description below. You can check out my membership for all of my courses, all of my design products, practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship and much more. So if you're interested, make sure to check out. A link is going to be in the description below. Now without any further ado, let's check out this week's method. This week's method is design jobs platforms. These are specific websites created to connect you as a designer with a client, so therefore they as websites are going to take a certain cut. You can do this on websites like Upwork, Freelancer, People Per Hour and Envato Studio, for example, just to name a few, but there are many different websites out there. It's really up to you to explore and to see which one works for you the best. Usually you are competing with all of these other designers by simply putting your offers out there, and usually the best offer wins, and that's really a way for you to explore how you are going to attack this. Some people offer lowest possible offers, which I would never recommend. Some people offer highest possible offers, which I would recommend either. You have to find your sweet spot in the middle, and the more clients you get to hire you, the bigger there are the chances of you to actually create your portfolio and to build your portfolio and to build trust and authority on these websites, because usually majority of those have this ranking system, which is going to allow you as a designer to progress and to take on bigger clients and bigger projects. But much like with majority of these tips and techniques, not just in design world but any other business world out there, it takes time. So you will have to participate in a lot of these different projects and to work with a lot of these different clients who might not be the right fit for you when you just get started, but over time you're going to be hired by much better clients and you are going to earn a lot more money. But once again, it takes time and it takes experience. So the more you do this, the more experienced you're going to be, and the faster you're going to reach that goal which you set upon yourself, whether that is to earn more money or to get more high quality clients. It's really all up to you. One more thing I want to mention before we wrap up this video is links to these websites and some other ones are going to be linked down in the description below, so make sure to check them out and to explore them for yourself and to see if they are a good fit for you. If they're not, don't worry, we have many other tips and techniques right here on the channel, so you can check the playlist. Link is going to be down in the description below as well and linked in the card right here, so you can check it out and see which other methods might work for you if this one doesn't work. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you found some value in it. If you did, make sure to press that like button. I upload new videos here on the channel every single week, so if you like this one, make sure to subscribe and make sure to check back next Friday when I upload a new video here to the Designer Money playlist. If you don't like this one, check back next week and see if that one is a good fit for you. And also don't forget to check out my membership. Link is going to be down in the description below if you want to get all of my courses, all of my design products, all of my practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship and much more. So thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.